We had a long day before we got to Ustaz's home, and before I met her, I already had seen so much. It was kind of amazing, and I think that very evening, fairly quickly, we ended up going to meet with her prayer circle, which was incredible. I think that I sort of felt parachuted right in there before I even knew what was around, and that was fine. It was wonderful because the whole circle of women who came to join her similarly were open and interested and curious and pleasant and positive, and it was just remarkable to be welcomed there. And as I've reflected on this again in the writing and into the program, I felt amazed and honored and delighted and warm and hopeful and eager that I'd be able to share and that the language issues wouldn't be problematic. And it felt that kind of the warmth of smiles and the touch of a hand, wonderful. Reverend Juliana ended up coming much later. Indeed, I was fast asleep when she arrived. So I met her in the morning. You know, it really wasn't, it sounds a little trite, but it was like waking up to sunshine. You know, she had so much brightness and light and happiness about our beginning together, promising beginning with a lot of shared admiration and anticipation on both sides of forming a beautiful connection.
Saya sama sekali tidak ada kecemasan di awal ya, karena kan saya tahu misi kita sama-sama di sini untuk pengenalan ya, dan itu mereka memang bilang masyarakat sekitar baru pertama kali ini dengar orang yang punya agama Yahudi, even bukan Rabai ya, tapi orang yang beragama Yahudi aja bagi mereka itu masih baru gitu kan. Maksudnya kita sering dengar Yahudi tapi nggak pernah tahu siapa yang beragama Yahudi itu gitu. Jadi so far mereka baru dengar oh ya ini agama, jadi mereka impress dan senang sih melihat dengan the way Rabi memperlakukan mereka dan anaknya gitu. Jadi mereka terharu gitu. Menurut saya ada yang sampai ngeluarin air mata juga gitu. Ternyata seneng gitu.
It was so much fun, and I don't know how it is for you all, but like when I look at that, I'm right back there with that same amazing feeling of enthusiasm and excitement and delight and connection, and I was really glad to be part of that. And I think that I would have felt that way if they could come and sing with me in my context. So I'm really thrilled I was able to be part of it.
Senang juga sih diajak ke masjid karena Clara bilang ada masjid bagus di situ. Nah, saya sebenarnya juga udah lama pengen datang, tapi kan saya nggak enak minta ini itu gitu kan. Anak-anak itu kayak menatap saya, udah langsung salam gitu sama saya, terus langsung minta kayak ayo ngaji gitu. Mereka langsung antusias untuk dari mata itu, udah sampai sekarang pun saya masih terbayang-bayang mata mereka gitu. Mereka membutuhkan guru gitu. Jadi saya ya ajarkan dengan ya spontanius ya, gitu. Itu spontanius aja. Dan saya merasa sampai sekarang pun saya sebenarnya terpanggil untuk mengajar mereka. Kalau bisa saya pengen ke sana lagi gitu, karena ngelihat mata mereka yang membutuhkan guru gitu.
Saya menyampaikan rasa bangga karena Presiden dalam periodenya dia 2022 kita menandatangani dokumen Fraternity Tutti dan realisasi itu untuk Timor Leste sudah 2 kali. Tahun lalu dengan Pastor Antoni dan tahun 2023 ini dari komunitas Kristen, dan ini satu kebanggaan. Sebagai orang Timor Leste, saya bangga terhadap Presiden. Lalu juga saya menyampaikan tentang selama kami bersama, apa yang kita lakukan bersama, selama juga kunjungan saya ke Jakarta, apa-apa yang dilakukan itu juga saya sampaikan kepada Presiden. Satu hal yang Presiden sampaikan, dan saya juga sangat setuju dengan Presiden Ramaphosa, bahwa Indonesia jadi role model untuk hidup dalam toleransi umat beragama. Itu yang Presiden sampaikan, diapresiasi sekali juga dengan program dari FBCI untuk bisa juga melibatkan kita orang Timor Leste untuk juga belajar dari program ini, memahami satu dengan yang lain perbedaan yang ada.
The walls really could have been better prepared and maybe had a hard time breathing with the smell of the paints and the chemicals. In the end, I was really glad that I was able to put on a lot of coats and kind of make the best of what we had. And Reverend Juliana and her daughter Aileen seemed really happy with it. If it was imperfect and could not be shown to the Great Painters Association of the Universe, they were still happy, and it looked an awful lot better when we were done. And there was a lot of love rolled into that paint. So it was nice. The synagogue organized a beautiful meal. There were like 20, 25 people there for the Sabbath meal there in the synagogue. It was wonderful. Everybody went home. Next morning, got up, go to synagogue again. It's what Jews do. Had a lovely little lunch. I was so happy to organize it. And then we had a question and answer time, which I thought was going to last an hour. Ended up at least 2 hours, maybe more. I kept like looking at the rabbi across the room. Hey, don't we need to go home? He's like, oh, just a few more questions. It went on and on. It was crazy. The lady who the previous night had been really hesitant and wouldn't speak directly to Ustaza had some very pointed questions, and Ustaza took it on really well, and she explained really well, and she helped people understand that there's, just like there's a breath of Christianity and a breath of Judaism, there's a breath of Islam, and many opinions and many approaches and many thoughts. And the questions and answers went on, and it was really fabulous. But the main thing here is that by the time it was all said and done, Ustaza, who still had her bracelet, went to the same lady, gave the bracelet to the woman who had been the most hesitant and angry and scared.
Kita ada diskusi bersama, makan bersama, dan di dalam makan bersama juga ada diskusi. Itu yang saya rasakan bagus, baik. Penyambutan mereka baik. Saya rasa sebenarnya sangat enjoy di sana.
Mereka welcome dan baik hati juga gitu ya. Mereka baik hati, mereka sebenarnya punya hati yang baik. Kebaikan mereka terutama yang meet and greet di pizza ya, kita makan pizza bareng, pasta bareng, itu serasa dekat sih, serasa teman lama lah gitu. Kita makan bareng, dinner bareng-bareng, banyak kenalan baru. Dari mata mereka, dari hati saya bisa merasakan kalau mereka tuh tulus banget untuk ingin tahu lebih lanjut tentang Islam atau dengan yang Kristen, karena itu campur ya.